Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another Disney princess. So I have my little model Macy with me today. She's going to be my little Belle. So we're going to do Belle from Beauty and the Beast. So I know it looks a bit different. Today we're doing it in my lounge room because my bedroom is occupied. So we're going to be doing it in my lounge room. So let's get into the video. So we're going to just use Too Faced Hangover RX cream. Just one spritz over the face, and then we're going to go in with Too Faced Hangover RX.
65, baby.
If I woke up without you, I don't know what I would do. Thought I could be single forever till I met you. Usually don't be falling fast. You got a way of keeping me coming back to back. I just found out the only reason that you loving me was to get back at your ex-lover, but before you leave, usually I would never even care. Baby, I know you're creeping, I feel it in the air.
And now we're going to go in with Fresh and Flawless Australian makeup in light burgundy. And grab your beauty blender. And style your cheeks and do foundation like normal.
You could use me, cause I still want that. Baby, I hope that this ain't karma, cause I get around. You wanna run it up, I wanna lock it down. Usually don't be falling fast. You got a way of making me spend up all my cash. Every night and every day I try to make you stay, but you're savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get two fucks, but I still want that. You're savage love. You're savage love, love, love. You're savage love, love, love. You could use me, cause I still want that. You're savage love. You're savage love, love, love. You're savage love, love, love. You could use me, babe.
Alright, that's foundation done. Okay, now you grab a smaller brush and you're going to use the same foundation to do under the eyes as concealer.
You're savage love, love, love. You're savage love, love, love. Girl, you could use me, cause I still want that. You're savage love. Da 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 da. Jason Derulo. Pull up skirt on your body, performing just like my Rari. You're too fine, need a ticket. I bet you taste expensive. Pouring up about a liter. If you keeping up, you should keep it. Tequila and vodka, girl, you might be a problem. Run away, run away, run away, run away. I know that I should, but my heart wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay now. You can see it in my eyes that I wanna take it down right now if I could. So I hope you know what I mean when I say.
So now that her foundation is done, we're going to go in with the Australian Press Ready Set Powder. And a fluffy brush.
No need to imagine, baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing. Like da 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 da. Pull up skirt on your body. It's just us two in this party. That Louis, that Prada looks so much better off you. Turn me up, be my waitress. No, we not in love, so let's make it. tequila and vodka. Girl, you might be a problem. Run away, run away, run away, run away. I know that I should, but my heart wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay now. You can see it in my eyes that I wanna take it down right now if I could. So I hope you know what I mean when I say, let me take you dancing. Two-step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your best move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to.
Alright, and now we're going to go in with MAC Fairly Precious Fair Blush. And an ankle brush. Smile. So apples of the cheeks going up. Apples of the cheeks. Going up. Perfect. Alright, so now that her base is completely done, now we're going to go in with eyeshadow. So now we're going to start with the eyeshadow. We're doing the first edition of BH Cosmetics, and we're doing that yellow right there, all over Macy's lip.
If you know what I mean. Yeah. All night. Dancing. Jason Derulo. Open for a gift. I put diamonds on your wrist. I can't buy your loving. It's never enough. I took that girl on a trip, cause we was arguing. Ever since we stopped touching, we're not in touch. I know money can't buy your love. I guess I didn't try hard enough. But we could work this like a 9 to 5. Mama told me stop play all the games. Steady throwing dollars, expecting change. But every war ends the same. Can we just make love, not war? Oh, can we just make love, not war? Oh, I solve my problems with a check. Now I'm paying for it. You wanted nothing, nothing but love. I can't lie, I'm a mess.
Now that her eyeshadow is done on her lids, now we're going to get Macy to open her eyes. And under her eyes we're going to do a blue. Okay, so now we're going to do under Macy's eyes. So we're using the 6th edition BH Cosmetics, and we're going to use this blue right there. So Macy, I'll get you to look up, and you can blink as much as you like.
Can we just make love? No more. And my people say, let's just try some loving, babe. Cause shawty, I know money can't buy your love. I guess I didn't try hard enough. Girl, we could work it like a 9 to 5.
Have a few blinks now. And then go straight back to looking at the roof again.
But everyone is the same. Can we just make love, not war? Oh, baby, can we just make love, not war? Oh.
And that's just under the eyes done. So now we're going to fill in her eyebrows a little bit. We're using Too Faced Chocolate Brownie. We're going to fill them in to make them a little bit darker.
Oh yeah, I've been looking under rocks and breaking locks, just trying to find you. I've been like a maniac, insomniac, 5 steps behind you. Tell them other girls.
So now we're going to use Too Faced Better Than Sex liner. I haven't done freestanding wing liner for a while, so just bear with me.
This is it, girl, give me 25 to life. I just wanna rock all night long and put you in the middle of my spotlight. You could be my it girl, you're my biggest hit, girl. Let me play it loud, let me play it loud, like. Let me play it loud, let me play it loud, like. Let me play it loud. You can't help but turn them heads, knocking them dead, dropping like flies around you. If I get your body close, not letting go, hoping you're about to tell them other guys they can lose your number, you're done. They don't get another shot cause you're love drunk, like a TV show playing reruns. Every chance I get, I'ma turn you be my it girl. Baby, you're the shit, girl. Loving you could be a crime. Crazy how we fit, girl. This is it, girl. Give me 25 to life. Hey, I just wanna rock all night long and put you in the middle of my spotlight. You could be my
I made this wing a little bit longer, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get rid of it. Just a little bit of it.
Let me play it loud. Can't seem to stop you from running through my mind. Just keep it coming till I make you mine. You got that something.
Now that the liner is done, we're going to go in and put on some lashes. So I'm using Minky lashes. I'm using Belle. And so we're just going to get a cotton round, some glue, and a cotton tip. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the cotton round, like so. And then you're going to grab the lashes. You grab one of the lashes, you grab either corner, and you're just going to curl them. And then you're going to grab the cotton tip, dip it in the glue, and on the lashes you're just going to put a thin layer of glue.
Cause you did what you said.
Jason Derulo.
That it's all for the best, because it is.
I was so wrong for so long, only trying to please myself. Girl, I was caught up in her lust when I don't really want no one else. So no, I know I should have treated you better, but me and you were meant to last forever. So let me in, give me another chance to really be your man. Cause when the roof caved in and the truth came out, I just didn't know what to do. But when I become a star, we'll be living so large, I'll do anything for you. So tell me, girl,
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did what you say.
what you say, what you say.
That it's all for the best, because it is what you say. That you only meant well, cause you did what you say.
What you say, what you say.
What did she say?
How could I live with myself, knowing that I let our love go? And ooh, what I do for one chance, I just gotta let you know. I know what I did wasn't clever, but me and you were meant to be together. So let me in, give me another chance to really be your man.
This one? Missing? Okay, perfect. Alright. So that's her lashes done. And now I'm just going to put some mascara on.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, cause you did. What you say?
What you say? What you say?
That it's all for the best, because it is. What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, cause you did. What you say?
What you say? What you say?
What did she say?
Girl, tell me what you say. I don't want you to leave me, though you caught me cheating. Tell me what you say. I really need you in my life, cause things ain't right, girl. Tell me what you say.
If you look very closely, you can see that Macy's eyelashes coming off a little bit. So if you close your eyes.
In my life, cause things ain't right. Cause when the roof caved in and the truth came out, I just didn't know what to do. But when I become a star, we'll be living so large.
Now we're going to do the lips and then we're done. So we've just got the Kylie Jenner lip kit in sweater weather. We're just going to put it on her lips.
What you say?
That it's all for the best.
Oh, well, of course it is.
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say?
What you say? What you say?
What did she say?
Beluga Heights.
Every time that you get undressed, I hear symphonies in my head. I wrote this song just looking at you. Oh.
And then we're just going to add a little bit of Kylie Jenner's High Gloss in Wildly. So whenever you're going to put it over lipstick that hasn't dried yet, you always get a brush so that it doesn't mix the colours in the bottle.
Is it weird that I hear violins whenever you're gone? Yeah. Is it weird that your ass remind me of a Kanye West song?
You can always wipe it dry and grab more because then there's no excess on your brush. Perfect. And now that that's done, I forgot there's one more thing we got to do, and that is highlighter. So we're using Kylie Jenner's Hear Me Roar highlighter. Very sparkly. And you're going to just put it from the temple down. And just some on the nose. And that is her makeup done. So this is the Belle look. So I hope you like, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Oh yeah, is it weird that your eyes remind me of a Coldplay song? Is it weird that I hear trumpets when you're turning me on? Is it weird that your bra remind me of a Katy Perry song? Every time that you get undressed, I hear symphonies in my head. I wrote this song looking